Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I wanted to give you a really quick DIY project of how to reuse Christmas ornaments. I have several ideas for this one, but this one we're going to be using a balloon. You will need a 12-inch balloon. I got mine from the Dollar Tree. Here's my balloon. This can be an ornament that you buy, or it can be an old ornament that you want to reuse. So what you're going to do is take off the top here. You're going to blow up your balloon. So blow up your balloon. And blowing up the balloon just serves the purpose of stretching the balloon, okay? So after you blow your balloon up, you get you some scissors. A pair of scissors. There is an invisible spot on the bottom of this balloon. You want to line it up with that, but I just do it like this. So you know it'll fit. You want to cut off the top part of the ornament. See? Cut it off here. Like that. Then you want to take your fingers and get inside of the balloon, okay? And then you just take the bottom half. I'm using plastic one on purpose. And you see, plastic ones you can just pop back in place. But after you do that, you've covered your balloon, your ornament with the balloon, and you put the top back on, and you have a new ornament. So that is my DIY project. I should have trimmed this up just a little bit more, but you get the point, right? Another thing you could do is for a party, you can turn these upside down and put a Christmas light inside. So let's walk over here to my wonderful DIY board, and you could do something like this to illuminate it. So that is my DIY hack for today. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you do not miss any of my videos. But this is a really cool idea, especially if you put them on a table. You can use different colors, so whatever the balloon looks like, that's what your ornament will look like. Have fun. Happy holidays.